we have something truly revolutionary to unveil: the Vivo X Fold3 Pro. This device promises to redefine foldable technology as we know it. Join me as we delve into its groundbreaking features, unmatched design, and exceptional performance. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As I open the box, I'm immediately struck by the elegance of the Vivo X Fold3 Pro. Despite being a foldable device, it boasts a remarkably lightweight and thin design. Holding it in my hand, I can't help but marvel at its sleekness. Inside the box, we find a range of accessories, including a 120W charger and essential documentation. Vivo has left no stone unturned in ensuring that users have everything they need to dive straight into the world of foldable technology. Now, let's talk about design. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro features a glass fiber back, aluminum alloy frame, and carbon fiber hinge. Not only do these materials enhance durability, but they also contribute to a significant reduction in weight. Additionally, the inclusion of armored glass provides added protection against everyday wear and tear. Moving on to display specifications, the Vivo X Fold3 Pro impresses on every front. With a 6.53-inch outer display and an expansive 8.03-inch inner display, users are treated to an immersive viewing experience like never before. Both displays boast high refresh rates, peak brightness levels, and support for Dolby Vision, ensuring stunning visuals across the board. Under the hood, the Vivo X Fold3 Pro is powered by the latest processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. With generous RAM and storage options, users can store their entire digital world with ease. The device also packs a sizable battery with fast charging capabilities, ensuring uninterrupted usage throughout the day. What's more, its exceptional thermals and extensive connectivity options further solidify its position as a true powerhouse. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in foldable technology. From its innovative design to its unparalleled performance, this device is set to redefine the way we interact with smartphones. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.